Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and safety. You want the crane supply stable and your work area clear. Once powered, approach the rusted console and press E to open it. This is your control hub. You inspect the UI for errors and note any red indicators. If the display is unreadable, toggle the backlight. Make sure to keep a light source handy. You'll need to read diagnostics and initial position values before moving levers or issuing commands. You now calibrate the movement axes and servos so the crane responds predictably. Start manual joystick checks. Nudge each axis and watch the encoder values. Aim for centered 0. 0 and correct any drift in software settings. Once manual motion is smooth, run small incremental moves, 5 degrees at a time, to confirm torque and braking. Then save those baseline positions to console slot 1 so you can revert if automation misbehaves. This ensures predictable lifts and prevents sudden swings. You choose the appropriate lift profile and begin the pickup sequence. Approach the load, align the hook, then engage the winch at a controlled rate. Monitor tension and sway visually and via the console meters. Make small brake pulses to stabilize. Once lifted, swing the boom slowly to the drop zone, lower the load, and stow the boom, insert lock pins and run the shutdown sequence to safe. If the console won't accept inputs, cycle power to the crane control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.